Hey folks, Mr. Mathlog here. This lesson is volume of rectangular prism. So we've been doing this for quite a few lessons here. So our same common core strand, and we can find the volume of a rectangular prism by finding the area of the base and multiplying it times the height. Okay, so the base of a rectangular prism is always a rectangle, and we can find the area of the rectangle by multiplying the length times the width. And we know the area is always in square units, okay? Or units squared. Your book likes to write it like this, you guys, so they like to write it as square units. I like to do units squared, so if it's feet, so feet squared, FT with the squared. And that area can be found by just multiplying the length times the width. Okay, so what is this length? I see 1, 2, 3. Okay, what's the width? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 3 by 4 rectangle, so 3 times 4 is 12, 12 square units. Okay, so volume is measured always in cubic units. Area is always in square units. Okay, so when we build prisms, you guys, we add each layer of cubes. Okay, so as it stacks up and stacks up, and we're always adding a third dimension, which is a height right there. So to find the volume, you can find the area of the base like we did right here. So the area of this base is 3 times 4. And then to find the volume, then you take the area of the base, which is in this case 12 square units, and multiply it times whatever the height is. So it's going to be increasing up, okay? So it's always in cubic units. All right, so here, it's easier than it seems, you guys. So the length of this prism is 4. Here's the width, here's the height. Let's go ahead and put in 4, 5, and then the area of the base, sorry. So 4 times 5 is 20, so the area of the base is 4 by 5, so 20 inches squared, or square inches. Okay, then we take that 20 and we multiply it by this 6 right here. Okay, remember volume is always in cubic units, so we get 20 times 6 is 120 cubic units, or inches cubed. Okay. Okay, so here, the volume right here, you guys, we're going to do 2 times 3 times 3, okay? So 2 times 3 is 6, and then 6 times 3 is 18. So here it's 18 cubic centimeters right here. Okay, so here the volume, I need to go get me just a minute, let me grab this, sorry. I thought I had that through the lesson right here, because you guys don't see my cursor anymore. I don't know what that is about. So, okay, so here, you guys, we're going to go so length times width times height right there. So let's go ahead and do that right there. So length times width times height. Now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 7 times 7 first is 49. And 49 is 1 away from a nice compatible number like 50. So I'm going to change 49 to 50 minus 1. And then what I'm going to do is distribute this 4 through. 4 times 5 is 20, so 4 times 50 is 200. And then minus right here, 4 times 1 is 4, so we're going to get 200 minus 4 is 196, so the volume is 196 cubic units. All right, you guys, nice fast lesson. I hope that makes sense. Take care.